Alright, I got a bad signal, turn signal. The right turn signal is bad, and I'm gonna show you how to tell why it's bad. I'm gonna put my hazards on, and they're blinking, so let's check them. Looks like the back one is good. From left, turn signal is working. The right one is not working, and the back one is working. So you gotta fix the right bolt. I'm gonna show you how. Alright, I'm gonna get into there, take it out. So I'm gonna take those push-in plastics, take them off, and see if I can get it by just moving this out of the way. I'm gonna take that one off too. Yeah, I'm gonna try something first, see if it works. By just taking off this one and moving the plastic over and putting my hand through there. Alright, the next step I did is taking out these clips. And right here had one. You gotta put a 10mm to remove this one from right here. And then just pop all the clips out from the bottom like that. Right here did the same thing. And for, well, you remove the 10 that is in here, then do not remove this one, just loosen it out. Use a 10mm socket, long extension, just loose it out and push the bumper that way, and it'll come off. That thing just slides in, so don't try to take it out. And this is what I had. I had a medium size, was 3/8 and 10mm socket. So nothing fancy. My flat screwdriver, well, it works, and needle pliers. Take out those clips. Just take out the clips, open the hood up, and then I gotta remove that clip, that one, and that one, and the whole bumper is gonna come off. So give me a second, I'll get back to it. Alright, I'm gonna show you an easy way to take out those clips. Give me a sec. Right there. Take your flat screwdriver, needle nose, one from each side, or if you got two flat screwdrivers, and pop them out like that. Here you go. You pop them out like that. Alright, I forgot to mention, you gotta pop that one out, that one too. this baby's out. Okay, it wants to come out. Take those. Alright, now I have taken all the fat clips. You can call it whatever you want. Pretty fatty. So you go in there, get those out too. Got them all out, and the whole bumper just comes off like that. And there we go. That's my light that I got fixed. Just unplug the connector to it. You can let me do that real quick. Alright, this is the whole bumper, front bumper, easy. Here's a bunch of clips. It's holding the one bolt. This one you don't want to remove that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 clips on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 on the bottom, and 2mm bolts. One there, the other one over there, and just loosen those out with a 10mm. That's it. Now I gotta remove my panel so I can get to the light inside. So you take some Allen wrenches. Looks like it, Allen, yeah, no, like a little star. Let me go find the tool for it. Remove that one. Come on, that one right there, the bottom, and that one. And if you're asking why I have the bungee cord strapped to it, a bunch of zip ties to it, is because, see this here, it broke off, so I needed some support. So well, cut this off, take my light out, and start working on it. Oh, there we go. Gotta cut my zip tie and take out my bungee cord. Alright, this one just needs a 7mm socket. Remove it. Remove that one too. That whole thing will come off. There's mine. Have it over here, working on it. Okay, this one requires a 6-star. Oh, such as that. Let me show you. It's a T15. Rather T15, and oh, I already got him out. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and then remove the cover. And here's my bulb. This is for the fog beams. If you need to replace that, just remove those 3 screws, unplug it, twist it, take it out. This one I gotta unplug, just twist it and take it off. I'm taking my gloves off. There we go. you go. There. I don't see nothing wrong with it. I just gonna take it out. It looks kind of burned up on the bottom. Okay. Go get a new one. Alright. See, I unhooked it. Right there, just pop the clip out, in and out, and then unhook it like that, and you get this one. And you can see it's burned out right there in the bottom. Nothing in the inside, but in the bottom it's burned out. So yes, use your gloves and use your proper protection, and then hold it like this and pop it out. Be careful. So I need a new bulb. That was pretty burned out. See, and then it has the number right there. Just go to your auto parts or go to Amazon, which is cheaper. And then I'll leave you a link below so you can order them. It's a lot cheaper. It's a 12 volt. I gotta go get a new one. Alright, I have taken, well, I got a new bulb ready. It's gonna be a little bit different, but remember when you're buying it to make sure it has a little notch. It's not gonna be right in the middle, it's gonna be to a side. And if you're trying to get LED lights instead of regular bulbs, make sure they got a notch to a side. Some of the ones for this, the notch is right here in the middle, and they don't fit. They don't fit in there. See how it has to a side? It needs to be like that one. So let's put it in and see how it looks. Here we go. See the notch I went through? It looks pretty good. Let's put it in, plug it up, and see if it works. Oh, I just gonna. It's alright. Just plugged it in so I can see if it lights up. Oh boy, look at that! It works. I'm gonna put everything back together now. Alright guys, I put everything back together now. My bungee cord for my broken frame right here, but you know, it's there, it works. And now I just gotta put the bumper back in there. Gonna put those snap plastics in So I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright guys, I put everything back together. Put all my snapping plastics in. Put those in. There you go. This one is broken for me because I hit deer one day, but little scratch. But there we go. Let's put the hazards on. See what we get. Back one working. Front one. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the brand new one. It's working. Perfect. So that's it.